What's up, guys? Just want to show you this new M18 PACKOUT 6-bay rapid charger that Milwaukee was kind enough to send up. So the part number is 4859-1809. PACKOUT compatible, obviously. Takes 6 batteries. Lots of information here on the back. So basically it says here 3 hours. Can charge 6 5.0s and 10.5 hours for a mixture of batteries. So a bit of product information on the back side here. I won't bore you with all the details. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. So get rid of the packaging. So as we can see here, there's 3 bays on one side, 3 bays on another. Obviously it comes with a AC cord attached because it is a charger. Also on the back there is a USB port, and of course it is PACKOUT compatible. So pretty self-explanatory. Pretty lightweight, obviously without batteries on it. So we'll throw a different variety of batteries on here. So as you can see, there's 3 batteries on this side. These 2 are already full, and this 12 is charging. There is a fan inside. I'm not sure if you can hear that running. And let me get some other batteries here. All these batteries are full. So all 3 of those are full as well. It obviously has a bit more weight to it with all 6 batteries in it, but you get the idea. Yes, you can carry it, but it's also designed to go on a PACKOUT stack, which is pretty cool. So there's not really much more to it than that. Obviously USB, like I'd mentioned. Let's see if we can plug something in there. So this is just a battery pack that I use for one of my phones. Plug it in and it starts charging. So pretty cool setup. I know there's been some negative feedback about this. Obviously I just got it, just opened it, so I'm going to use it for a while, let you guys know what I think. But yeah, make sure you guys check it out. It's their 6-bay rapid charger, and it is that simple. It's that self-explanatory. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to be notified when I put out new content. I'm going to do my best to put some more stuff out in 2023. So thanks for watching, guys.